gymnatorium kasi doon yung celebration. So, ito na nga. Ito na yung bagong newly opened UAP Gymnatorium. Meron naman kaming gymnatorium dati, kaya lang ito ngayon, centralized air condition siya, kaya hindi na siya masyadong mainit pag may mga celebration. So yung kick-off ng 107th founding anniversary is yung mass dito sa gymnatorium, of course headed by our UAP chaplain. Tapos nandyan lahat ng mga officials, faculty and non-faculty staff. So there's a short break lang po before the program start after ng mass. Kaya yan, walang ginagawa. Nagsisnack, yan yung snack namin while waiting for the program to start. So bago nag-start yung program, tinawag lahat muna ng guests during the anniversary, at the same time yung mga regents ng school namin at saka yung mga administrative officials ng school namin. In any program, ito talaga yung pinaka-gustong gusto ko, yung marching ng colors. Tapos na lahat ng preliminaries. We are singing the UAP now this time. So, gusto ko yung
heads of offices and units, transforming our dear UEP into splendid home for excellence and competence. The 107th founding anniversary of the UEP serves as an important milestone in the history of this university.
So the program continues. Nag-present po si Ma'am President ng mga accomplishment niya throughout the years. At the same time, naggawad rin po ng mga services ng mga faculty and non-faculty staff ng school at saka yung mga best researchers. Basta lahat ng mga awards na. Dahil super gutom na kami, so we decided to leave the venue and kumain na lang sa labas para medyo mabusog naman kami. Dahil medyo mahaba-haba pa yung yung program. So we went to F&B.
Sexy ni Mami.
Kawali. Kawali.
Pupo and mushroom and lechon kawali. Ito mo na, type butter chicken.
Ha?
Ito mo na, type So, pabalik na kami ng school, pero uwi na kami diretso kasi mamayang gabi na yung next na event namin. I'm actually going to the field for the fellowship night. The field is there, but I'm not going there. I'm going to pass there. That's scary part. So, dito tayo daan. Sa medyo safe and may ilaw na daanan. So, ayan na yung field. That's where the sayawan is. Diba? Kita nyo. Rinig nyo rin. Hingal is live. Hingal is live. Dahil naglakad lang from the house. Oh, street. Hingal is live. My God. Sige lang, maglakad lang. Pa marami yung tao, so okay lang. Learning how to do vlogs, so ganyan. Ganyan pala, hindi ganyan. Ganyan. Almost there. So, that's National Highway. Kaya maraming dumadaan na truck at saka mga sasakyan. So, where's the College of Cock?
The College of Arts and Communication.
Ito ba? Lawang. Where? Ay, na College of Cock. This is admin. Si Mama Villa there. Dental man. Di ko aram, ma'am. Payagabi, payagabi. Ay, sara. Ato dito. Kahit bukit, ma'am, tara. Okay, go. Thank you. Masayaw si Jill, chika. Milay, si Milay, BA. Si Sir Roger. Ayun, no. Si.
Tonight, we gather in the spirit of community and celebration as we mark the 107th founding anniversary of our beloved University of Eastern Philippines. This team earned a total gross sales of
Cheers! Happy 107! So this is my Coach Tabby, large, black. Madaming laman. Kaya, ayan, tingnan nyo. It's actually full. I'm attending school anniversary and I'm going to use this. So let's see what's in this bag, okay? There's a construction across our house. That's why it's quite noisy. So first is my sunglasses. Guess I couldn't put it inside, so I just hang it here. Some glasses. And then next is my ointment. This is my ointment. It's a savior. And then food from Japan. It's a pasalubong. Another food from Japan, Tokyo banana. And there is another food. There. Another food from Japan. It's also pasalubong. So the Coach Tabby has like 2 compartments. So let's go to the bigger compartment at the back. I have an alcohol, my Lucas Popo, my wallet. I bought a flat wallet. I bought a flat wallet because this is a small bag. Cord for charging my phone. Katinko, you know, Katinko is life. Dental floss because there will be eating, so I need dental floss. Sustain for my eyes because every now and then I need to put some drops on my eye shocks. forgot I have to bring my glasses. But I think I'm not. So yeah, I'll just bring this one. Sustain. What else? House keys. My my Peely Ani lip gloss moisturizer. So this is in rose, and of course my power bank, Anchor power bank. This has been with, I bought this during pandemic, like around 2021 or 2022. So that's it. And of course I have money here, and I don't have something here. That's what's inside my Coach Tabulars.